Okay guys, we're going to try our luck in this lake. We're going to call it Secret Lake. See if we can catch a lake trout or not. Stick around. Just a little bit of marshmallow. Rahel's fishing that holder now. I'm going to dig it. I got one fish. I got one.
Stick around.
Yeah, stick around. Oh boy, another great day in Labrador, boy. Me and Rahel decided to come down for a night or two in the cabin and do a little bit of ice fishing. Have a boil up, cut some wood, take it easy, enjoy the spring, warm, beautiful days. Of course, Willow's with us. Rahel's fishing that holder now. I'm going to dig another one. Still 4 feet of ice here yet. 23rd of April, I believe it is. 23rd, 24th. Okay, we got 3 or 4 different rods here today. These are the ones I had ice fishing 3 or 4 weeks ago up to the pond. We got different hooks. We got big lures. Just hooks with no lures or spinners on them whatsoever. Yeah, so we'll just try different things. Yeah, so this is a spinner I had when I was ice fishing there for trout, small trout, 3 or 4 weeks ago. So I think I'll change that up and probably put a bigger lure on today. And today, believe it or not, I didn't bring any bait for lake trout. I just very poor at catching lake trout in any event, on any day. So all I had today was a bit of moose meat. We're going to try that. Put a bit of moose meat on there and see what happens. So we're going to put down 3 or 4 lines today. There's 2 of us here, so we're going to put down about maybe 4 lines. And then we'll go in and have a fire and a cup of tea. Perhaps roast a marshmallow or a wiener. Yeah, so we got moose steaks for supper. So I just cut a little bit of moose, few chunks off the end there. Give it a try, can't hurt. You never know. Looks good to me. Alright, so that's at the bottom of the lake. So I'll probably come up like, I don't know, a foot or so. And we'll just go on the shoreline where we can see our lines. We'll just set our rods down and just come and fish them every now and then, you know, come out and give it a few flicks like that. See what happens. Okay guys, on this one we're going to use a Cyclops lure, another piece of moose, and we're going to use a tippo. So, just in case you guys haven't seen one of these before. Alright, so what happens here in theory, a fish comes along and pulls the line down, and when it does, it lets go of this flag. Fish touches the line, up goes the flag. Let's hope the flag goes up. Again, this is an old experiment. Some old kippers were gone frozen in my shed there. I'm going to take a little bit of that and throw it down the hole. Doesn't sink very well, but after a while it kind of goes down. You never know, some fish might smell it. Any tactic at all. Alright boys, we got the 4th one set up. I think it's time for a cup of tea in the cess.
Yes.
We're just going to go right there on the shore somewhere, get our kettle out and roast some wieners and marshmallows and have a little lunch and check our lines off and on. Just a little bit of marshmallow for a little treat. Change it out, you know. This hook here is just a regular old hook, no spinner, but it's a big hook, you know, for those big lakers. And nothing fancy again, just an old piece of stick. Put some big line onto it. I got some rabbit wire put on there because I didn't have a leader. That's fine. On goes another piece of moose. Here we go, boys. Yes, boys. We got one, we got one, we got one. Oh, look at that, boys. Look, holy cow, the hook come right out of it. Look. Holy smokes. So close. Look at that. Take your daughter fishing and you get a fish. Hold her up, look. Woo! This is Rahel's fish. She brought the fish out today. Look at that. Wow. This is a beautiful time of the winter now in Labrador. Usually you're all winter freezing to death. But you get April month like this and there's bluebird days and no wind down the lakes like this. Short sleeve shirt. Can't beat it. See how this fish looks inside now. Little minnow inside of its stomach, look. Feeding on fish. And moose, I guess today. Oh, it's a really fat fish. Really healthy. See how fat that fish is, boy. There's actually all layers of fat right here on both sides. And nice and orange underneath. What a beautiful, healthy fish, boy. It's gonna make for a couple of good meals, I guarantee you that. So lucky to have this resource here like we do. All natural fish too, by the way. No stock fish here at all. Alright, so I've never tried this before, but I'm gonna put my GoPro down in the hole and see if there's any light down there. We've got 4 feet of ice here, so I have no idea how light it's down there, so let's go for a dip. You ready? What's wrong? You're beat out. Long day. How about a piece of fish bait / moose meat? Good girl. Alright guys, Rahel's gonna pull up the lines now. We're gonna hit her back. What an excellent day. I tell you, can't get any better than this. Never dreamt we'd catch a fish, and we got a nice big lake trout, about 6 or 7 pounds. And that's gonna make for a wonderful meal or two for the family. I'd also like to thank Rahel for coming along today and being my good luck charm. So guys, we'll catch you on the next one for sure. Take care. We'll catch. So tune in next time. You never know what we'll do next. Next.
Yeah, I know.
That's what I'm gonna say. So.
Stick around.
Yeah, stick around.